Are you recording?
It's recording.
I guess you wonder where I've been.
Hey, home.
Period.
Just okay, so give that.
Me in the back. There you go.
Okay, so
Give them an overview of my room. Oh, dude.
No, I'll do it.
So it's your channel now.
Your wall.
Rawr. Okay, just give it to me. First, I have my mirror with all these little pictures. I have Renato. I wanted to be a skater at one point, and then I have me. Aww. I've had this mirror for a really long time, but now moving on to this wall. Cause show like the wall.
Well, I was gonna like go with your hand.
Okay, it's kind of like my art wall. I want to be artsy, so like you have to come to me too. You have to be. It's kind of like my art wall. I got most of my posters from Amazon, and then I got those two from Redbubble. A lot of people always ask me like where I get my posters and stuff, so.
Questions answered.
I got this from Sincerely Art on Instagram, and then these LED signs are from the Lit Lights on Instagram. They're really cool. I love how they light up my room, and it just gives the vibe. LED lights, a lot of people ask me where those are from too, and they're from Amazon. Just search up like LED strip lights and they should come up. I don't even know what brand I got, but they all kind of work the same. And then down here, my planner, I have like a dress that I was supposed to wear to formal, but then I didn't because it was too expensive. I have all the little plugs. Okay, so now, okay, let's do. Okay, so now on my bed, I think I got like all of my little bed frame. I mean, I don't have a bed frame.
Yeah, I don't have a bed frame.
We're not gonna be here for that long. That's why my mom, she didn't give me a bed frame. But
Dude, there's literally a bed frame outside your door. It's for you.
anyways, so the comforter and the pillow set is from Walmart. Flip it around to blue, but nobody likes blue, so yeah. Stuffed animals are the ones that me and my boyfriend have acquired. Yeah. Stop being so close. My blankets, that's my mom's computer because she took mine. Tapestry is from American Eagle Outfitters, I think. I got it on the app Dote, so go check that out. Yeah, I think I only got it for like $16, so kind of a bargain if you ask me. And I got this job for me at Six Flags. Both of these are from Both of these are from Redbubble, and I like glued this little butterfly. It took a long time, but.
Roar.
Where my mom got this mirror from, but it's just like pictures of me and my friends looking, my boyfriend, and then this Polaroid. This is also from Sincerely Art. I just have like a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't feel like cleaning it, so this is kind of just like how it was. This little like makeup organizer is from Doe. It actually works pretty well. I just stop, bro.
I know you did not just say makeup organizer.
Oh.
Jewelry.
This jewelry organizer is from Doe. It works pretty well. I really like how it looks. I've never had like a jewelry organizer, so yeah. I have my speaker. I have this like jar that I really want to like put candy and like Starburst in, but like I just haven't gotten around to it. Little like face cleanser, like brush, like one of those like automatic face.
Yeah.
This Christmas tree that was like originally $90 from Michael's, but I got it for $36 on Black Friday, so period. I have my wig that I only wore once, and now it's tangled. Oh, let me show you guys this. Okay, so anyway, I also have colored hoops. They're kind of cute. I got this from New Chic. It's just like a lighting thing, but I think it looks really cool. So look. Yeah, it doesn't show the up down much, but it has like a little remote, but it doesn't work. So got these little butterfly like decor things from Michael's, but I don't know how I'm gonna use them yet. I have my speaker, and then I have another little like skin set like brush cleanser thing.
Can I have one?
Yeah, you can have this one. And I'm like a very nosy person, so I love watching room tours to see like what's in their drawers, because I just want to see what's in
Are we
their
going
drawers.
through every freaking drawer?
Yeah. So in my first drawer, I just have a bunch of random stuff that I don't need, and I never really go in this drawer. I have like my contacts from Walmart. I don't even wear contacts anymore. Like an SD card, a hydro flask, like perfume. I have all my colored headbands that I wear to school and stuff. I have these like crazy pairs of contacts that I'm gonna wear for a video. More headbands. Yeah, that's basically what I have. And like scrunchies and stuff. I have all of my hair clips and like butterfly stuff and stuff like that. yeah. Okay, well, my sister just ditched me, so now I have to do this myself. Like this makeup brush cleansing pad. I have like my iPhone box. I have some books, even though I don't read. Also, where I keep all of my sunglasses. I have like cute little purple ones like this and green ones, and then I just have like some regular ones. I have like stuff like this. I don't know, I just have a lot of sunglasses that I really want to use for pictures, but I just never got around to it. Album covers and stuff, even though I also don't even listen to music like that. I have this poetry book just because I wanted to be trendy. That's basically like everything in this drawer. This is a drawer that I just never want to open, but I had to do it, so.
I had to do it to him.
I had a bunch of bathing suits from Cupshe. They actually sent them to me, so I'm going to be showing you guys all of these in like a future video. It'll probably be in like my preparing for Hawaii video, so check out for that. I have a bunch of those, and then I have little scrunchie sets that I'm just waiting to use. Like a lighting set for Christmas. I don't really know. It's like Christmas lights that I never use. So right here I have like vanity mirror lights, and then I have my English textbook. So then in this little corner I like to keep bags and like shoes that I haven't opened yet. Have my red Crocs right here, and then I have my slippers from Victoria's Secret. My algebra book. I
hate algebra.
have a bunch of bags that I use whenever I go to like Six Flags and stuff like that. I have a box full of like random things. Like, what is this? I don't even know. And these are just like shoe boxes of like shoes I haven't worn yet. So these ones are from Dolls Kiro in the Delia's collection, and they look like this. I love them. These ones are from Laura's Boutique, and these are just some little heels in case I have an event to go to. I honestly don't know why I got them, but I was feeling fancy, so. And then my Champion shoes. They look like this. I got them from Urban Outfitters. I haven't gotten a chance to wear them yet, but soon. Soon I'll wear these. Now on to my little desk area where I like to do my makeup and like where I store all my makeup and stuff. I can do like an updated makeup collection if you guys want. Give it a like, Betsy's. Let me close this. I don't really want to be seen. I got these little pails from Michael's, and I just keep all my eye brushes and then my face brushes. I have a candle, which I usually never light candles, but I was feeling the mood. It's called Pumpkin Apple. I think I got it in fall of like 2017, so it's really old. This Claire stuff, I have deodorant, just all of like the stuff that I wear like every day. So I have both of my moisturizers. I have this mirror that I got sent to a really long time ago, so I don't know where it is, but like it lights up, so it's kind of cool. And then I have like my most worn contacts right there. I also have this lamp that I use as all my lighting. I don't know where it's from either. I have this little bandana that I wear whenever I do my makeup. I have this basket which just has everything that I use every day, so it's like easy to retrieve. I have, like scrunchies, and then I have moisturizers, my micellar water to take off my makeup. I have pore strips, the Milky Jelly cleanser. I have more perfume. I have my favorite spot treatment, then like whitening strips, and then I have oil absorbing sheets, my Mario Badette. I don't know, I just have a lot of stuff that's just like easy to get right here. So in my first drawer, I just have all of the stuff that I use like every day. Like I have my brush, I have more moisturizer, I have my eyelash curlers, I have like clips to pin my hair back, like all my contacts right here, and then I have 2 Vaselines, because y'all know how crusty I be getting. Y'all know. Pads to take off like eye makeup and stuff. I don't know. I have like my glasses that literally are broke now. So yeah, I just have all of the daily stuff. So then in this drawer, I have my everyday makeup. So I have my James Charles palette. I have all my palettes. Most of these are like ColourPop, Anastasia, Morphe. I have my makeup wipes in the back, and then this is typically my everyday makeup. It's just powders, primers, concealers, mascaras, stuff like that. I'll get more into detail if you guys want a makeup collection. And then I have another little bandana in the back here. Then in the second drawer, I just have like bras, panties, socks, stuff like that. And then in this drawer, I have like a bunch of pajamas and stuff. Then right here, I have all of my shoes. I usually only wear like the same 2 pairs of shoes, and it's my Reeboks, and I've gotten called out for it. But I just have like my Fila's. I have these really cute shoes that I just got. Cortez's. I have my 1 stars, more 1 stars. I have more red Fila's, my Vans. I don't know, I just have a lot of different pairs of shoes. So yeah. So then right here is all my cube organizers. I got my cube organizer from Target, and then I got these from Walmart and Target. Starting off from this thing, this is like just more makeup. It's not really my everyday makeup, but it's like makeup that I can get easier. Also, I have these little lip glosses that a company sent me. They're called glitter glosses. They come in these really cute like packages. My straightener and my towel right here. I got this little thing from Target like years ago. And here I just have skincare that I haven't really used. I have makeup and then more makeup. I was kind of a hoarder in 8th grade. And over here I have like daily hygiene stuff. A whole bunch of face masks. I have like lotions, perfumes, more face masks, like hair treatment stuff. I have another Cetaphil in case my other one runs out. I have more perfume. I have aloe vera, simple like micellar water that I need to try out. Freeman face mask, dry shampoo, body mask. And I got these cute little hair accessories that I want to use. They're like little scrunchies. Super cute. Got this little basket from Walmart. Now in my cube organizers, I'm gonna go through this really fast because I don't want it to like take too much time. Here I kind of just keep like random t-shirts, kind of just clothes that I don't really feel the need to like hang up. Here I keep all of my undershirts and tank tops, and I have a bunch of undershirts because y'all know how I like to layer. So yeah. Here I just keep a bunch of like hygiene stuff. Like I have these sensitive skin soaps. This is kind of just like all my old skincare that I never really touch. Like dual action, and then I have like setting sprays, more perfume. I don't know, this is just kind of stuff I don't really touch. Here is where I keep all of my colored belts and then my beanies. So I have like a bunch of beanies, as you can see. Yeah, I just keep all my beanies and colored belts over here. Over here I keep just more makeup. It's like makeup that I recently bought. Like I got this mascara, I got these eyelashes, I got these eyelashes, more mascara, Ardell lashes. I have like all of my Ofra highlighters. I have this little purple lipstick, glitters, and like little liners and stuff. And I have more makeup down there. Oh yeah, like I said, if you guys want a makeup collection, then let me know. In this drawer I have just more makeup, and I have like little bags and stuff that I could use. Like foundation, like I have the Fenty foundation right here. There's another foundation by Benefit. I have this little Becca palette, I spun loose powder. I don't know, it's just more makeup. Then in here I just have more like clothes. I don't really know, I just have too much clothes. I have my soccer jerseys and stuff that I still need to give back to the school. It's like really random stuff that I don't really use. It's like stuff that companies send to me, so yeah. My backpack, and then right here I just have like boxes and stuff. Those are shoes that I still need to give to my friend for Christmas. On to my last step, which is my closet. I really want to do like a closet tour, but I'm gonna do that like after I organize everything. But I just have like my most worn shirts right here. This is just stuff that I like hang up. I have my dirty clothes right there. I have my PS4 that I still haven't hooked up, even though it's been like 2 months. I got it for Christmas, and these are all of my pants. I love my little like colored and like different pants. And then I have my denim over here. I just like, and right here I just have like extra clothes, stuff that I need to like donate or whatever. I have like shoe boxes. I have my tripod right there that I never use. Like random boxes up there. I really don't even know what's in there. I have like my Adidas bag. My friend got me this little pug for Christmas, so yeah, it's gonna be chilling up there. I have like little packages. I have a bunch of shoe boxes. And on this side I just have my stuff that really isn't worn. It's like big coats and stuff. Like I have my really big purple jacket right there. This side is kind of stuff that like companies send me that I just don't know what to do with after I did the video already. So yeah, big blanket that I got for Christmas. And yeah, so that's what this side is. So that's pretty much my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know a lot of people have been wanting it, so I decided to
let y'all see it.
Oh, I didn't show you guys this. I also have my Tyler the Creator wolf poster right there that I got from Amazon. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Also, buy my merch. Thank you. Bye.